Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Digimon app not working, not opening, keep stopping or not starting problem on Android phones. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. So the first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your device, and once your device restart, then you can go ahead launch the Digimon Up game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for Digimon Up app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Digimon Up and then tap on it, and if you find any updates available for this app, then update it, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then you can switch to mobile data and then launch the game and check, and if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. Now if possible, then you can also connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check Digimon app is working or not. Fourth solution is to force stop or force close the Digimon Up app. So tap and hold the Digimon Up app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to clear the Digimon Up app cache. So again tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then open the Digimon Up app, and once you're on this menu screen, tap on menu, then tap on clear cache, then tick mark on I understand and accept, and then click on OK, and that's it. And then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if that also doesn't work, then you have to clear the data for the Digimon Up app. So again tap and hold the Digimon Up app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on storage usage and then click on clear data. But please take a note over here that clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap delete to confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the background activity for this app. So again tap and hold the app icon, tap on app info, tap on battery usage, and then check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Ninja VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Brave VPN, Secure VPN, NordVPN, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, launch the VPN app, and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Digimon Up app. So simply tap and hold the app icon, then tap on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to confirm, and then just restart your device. And once your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Digimon app and then tap on it, and then tap on install button to reinstall it. And once the Digimon Up app get reinstalled, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the last thing you must do is to check for the Digimon Up app server status. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, down, or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You will just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.